What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have a JoJo drawing. We're going to do sheer heart attack. That little grenade kind of thing. That's from Crazy Diamond. So Akira's, isn't it Akira's stand? Yeah, what's the... Man, there's so many stands. This is sheer heart attack. And then, what's the cat with the skull? Oh, my brain doesn't work. What was he called again? People are shouting at the screen right now. Killer Queen. Ah, oh, I should have remembered because it's a Queen song. Sheer Heart Attack's a Queen song. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I'm on a landscape paper. Use a pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. I'm trying to have fun. Right. So we start with this skull. Right. So we'll go across the middle first. If I have, we'll go across the middle first, like that, right? This sort of bumping line. Then there's two ears sticking up from here, spikes. Another one here, down. There's lots of detail in this guy, so we'll just take our time. So this goes down a bit longer. And then his jaw bones start sticking out. So they bump out twice. So it bumps out there. Bumps around again. And then his big sort of jawbone comes down this way. And his chin then here. It's a real long sort of face. The eyes then sort of in this section. So we go out and around. Skull sort of shaped eyes. They're like slanted downwards. And then you can color dark inside. Okay, nose in the middle, and skull noses are kind of like these upside down love hearts. Right? Kind of like that. And then you color that in. So his mouth then is like loads of these teeth, right? And these two sort of fangs sticking down as well. But you got to do, so we'll just do like bumping line across, right? And each of these would be a tooth, right? So the teeth on the side there. And there's two fangs, so we'd do the fangs just here. Right, sticking down, and then the rest of these teeth come across. Just join them. Like so. The side of his mouth comes down like so, and then this kind of bumps down this way. He's got like bumps along the bottom, and then more teeth. And again, they're kind of jaggedy down the bottom. They're not really like symmetrical like the ones on the top line of his teeth, kind of like that. And then it's all black inside there. Right. I won't color that now. I'll color it after. Then we got like more lines and shadows and stuff inside, right? So there's like his cheekbones, and then like some teeth lines coming up from his gum line, just here. And then, so we got some like brow lines here and stuff. Detail lines on his ears. So like an eyebrow sort of line there. And some like, you're just trying to make him look bony, basically. You're just adding all these scars and dents and cuts and stuff. Like, oh yeah, and then the dagger, obviously, that's inside his head. So you've got like a knife pointing down. And then the handle. That. And the top. Some lines just coming down there. Right, like so. And then his brow. Just here. And he's got like a big cut coming down. Sorry now if you can hear noise in the background. That's my daughter screaming. So big crack coming down his head. There she is. And then spike here. Spike here, like a couple of cracks. I think it goes down his mouth as well. Like that. And like hatching in some places. Roughly speaking, like that. Right. So then the main parts of his body and stuff, right? So he's like this turtle shell, right? Or slash grenade kind of thing. So we'll go up the middle here, right? These two lines. And then we will go around here. We've got a bit that sticks out the top here, so it goes up with a nut in the middle, right? So it goes up like this. And then there's a nut here, right? So it goes around in angles. Right, and then it goes down, across, a line down, like that. And then a screw or something that sticks up here. Down, round. And it's got these lines on it, like so. And then the lines for the back of the nut. Just there. And then we have more inside. So this goes around like that. And then this pipe sort of comes down here and goes into whatever the hell this is. So when you're drawing stuff and you're like, what is that? I have no idea. Right. In there. And then this has sort of an edge line to it there. Like so, and then there's something like a black dot there. And then a silver part there. Okay, and then so his body then sort of bumps in these 3 or 4 sections, right? So we go sort of around once, twice, and then this goes down here, right? So we go once, twice, wait, yeah, and then that way. And his wheels are here, right? So he's got, this goes in, right? And then it goes around underneath. So we go down. Kind of bumpy. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight because he's got these shells of armor, right? Like that. So we got to break this up now into different sections. So from the corner here, angle like that. And then this goes around all the way. And it can be a bumpy line. Okay. So then we've got these sections that join. So, and he's got lots of dents in them from exploding and all this kind of stuff, right? So that goes that way. And then this one, this way. And then another one here. And here. And that goes that way. This here. You're just kind of copying the other side now. Oh, there's a big crack there, I think. So that means this one goes that way and up. Is that right? Yeah, and then like edge lines. Hatching. Big crack here. Like edges. Crack coming down here. Dents. So he's got like lots of like circles and dents and stuff taken out of him. Sort of like this kind of stuff. Okay. And all these edge lines. Like another dent here. You're just going around sort of. Another one here. And then, so these are just like extra details, like they're not, you don't have to do this, but I will, because some people might want to do it. So lots of these texture and cracks and stuff on them. Right, so then his wheels that stick out here, right? So he's got like a mud guard or something over them, so it kind of bumps out like so, and then it'll go back around and kind of into here, and then this comes around here, and then he's another sort of edge line on it there as well, and then the side profile sort of area. Line there, lots of dents and scratches and stuff. Right, we do the same thing over here. This kind of hangs down, goes into there, and then it has another underneath section. And this goes down, and then lines there, like so. Okay, now if I go too fast, hit pause, okay? I just got to keep the videos a certain length. Well, at least less than an hour anyway. Okay, so the two wheels are different on both sides. Why is that? We'll make them the same. We'll just do them the same on both sides. So we got like a pipe sticking out here. This one's different. This one has like stuff coming down here. I don't know why that is. But we'll make them symmetrical because it makes it easier. Okay, and then this wheel comes out and around. It's a tank-like wheel. Back that way, and it has, you know, edges to them. We do the same thing over here. Edge goes that way, this goes down, this goes down, and then I guess sort of some lines coming across. Do 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 do. Like so. That's it. That's how to draw a sheer heart attack. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.